The Kerala Legislative Assembly, popularly known as the Niyamasabha, is the state assembly of Kerala, one of the 28 states in India. The assembly is formed by 140 elected representatives. Each elected member represents one of the 140 constituencies within the borders of Kerala and is referred to as member of the Legislative Assembly. The present Kerala Legislative Assembly consists of 140 elected members and one member nominated by the governor from the Anglo-Indian Community. In 1956, the state of Kerala was formed on linguistic basis, merging Cochin, Malabar, and Travancore regions and the Kasaragod region of South Kannada. The first assembly election in Kerala state was held in February-March 1957. The first Kerala Legislative Assembly was formed on 5 April 1957. The assembly had 127 members including a nominated member. The current Delimitation Committee of 2010 reaffirmed the total number of seats at 140. The current Legislative Assembly is the 14th assembly since the formation of Kerala. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.